Chiles en Nogada are not difficult to make, but they are time-consuming. Only poblano peppers have the right flavor. The first step is to char them over an open flame, turning them constantly so they don't burn through. Place them between layers of newspaper for half an hour so they will sweat. Finally, dice the onion, tomato, garlic, and bell pepper. Grate fresh nutmeg. Chop the pecans, fruits, and preserved citrus rind. So colorful. Remove the charred skin from the chilies, then rinse in cold water to remove any stuck-on skin. Make a cut down the length so you can take out the veins and seeds. Rinse off again with cold water and line up the chilies to be filled. Measure out the herbs you'll add to the meat filling. Get the skillet to medium heat, add oil, and start cooking the meat. To keep the flavors intense, add the chopped vegetables, fruits, nuts, and spices, one ingredient at a time, stirring as you go. In Mexico, we say that love enters the heart through the eyes, and when done, the meat filling will certainly be colorful and fragrant enough to attract all eyes. If you are enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. We are a growing channel and would very much appreciate your support. Now it's time to stuff the chilies. Place them on a plate, sliced side up, and use a slotted spoon to loosely fill them. Using your hands, set the stuffed chilies close together in a container, cover with parchment paper, and refrigerate them overnight. The chopped pecans should also be soaked in the milk and chilled as well. The next day, an hour before serving, the nogada, the nut sauce, needs to be assembled. Start by first draining off the milk and rinsing the nuts in cold water. Shake off the excess moisture and stir in cream, sugar, salt, and nutmeg. If the sauce is too thick, thin it with a little cold milk. The taste should be slightly sweet with a salty undertone. Next, the rice needs to be prepared. I like to add saffron or the more affordable condimento español. Guacamole is the final piece to be prepared before filling the individual plates. Mash ripe avocados with the onion and cilantro, then add lemon and salt. To serve, first place the rice into a mold and invert it onto the plate. Beside it, place a large dollop of guacamole. Drizzle a spoonful of nogada onto the plate and set a chili on top. Spoon more nogada over the chili, then garnish with cilantro leaves and pomegranate seeds. Don't forget a piece of artisanal bread or tortillas to soak up any extra sauce. Welcome your guests, then relax and enjoy one of Mexico's most iconic, attractive, and delicious culinary specialties.